Now this is website. This is Mutillidae website, one of the web applications that are hosted on the Metasploitable 2 web server. Okay, so when we look at this Mutillidae, we can see that there are various pages that we can easily navigate to by just clicking on the link. On any of this link, if you click on home, we're already in home, then we can click on any of these web pages to navigate to that particular web page. But what happened is that in a website, there might exist some hidden content that we cannot easily see, and their navigation link has not been made available. And that hidden content, hidden pages, hidden files might contain some very vital piece of information that will assist us in our penetration testing exercise. So there comes a very handy tool called dirb, dirb, that we can make use of to find all the content of a website, and this will include both the content that have been made available and the content that are hidden from the main website. So, and luckily for us, dirb is already installed on the Kali Linux machine. It comes installed with the Kali Linux machine. So, and we can type man dirb, and then we are going to see detailed instructions on how to go about using this particular dirb tool. So we can take our time to go through the various options that we can use alongside this particular tool to see how we can make use of it. So for this lecture, we are just going to make illustrate a basic usage of this dirb tool. And the most basic usage of this dirb tool, you just write dirb followed by the URL link of the website that we want to perform what we call fuzzing, because this is fuzzing because we are brute forcing all the content of that particular website, and then to find all the hidden content as well as the content that have been made public. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back and then copy the URL link of this particular website. All right, refresh and get the URL. So just copy this URL link. I'll just copy it, and then I'll go back to the terminal, and then I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it, HTTP, and then I'm going to hit enter. Now dirb will now will brute force all the links and the web pages that are contained in this particular website. And as we can see, by default, it is using a word list, which is located in this particular directory, and it is that particular file is common.txt. So we can make use of our own customized word list. We can change the word list, not necessarily that we must stick to this common.txt. We can make use of a word list that is perhaps bigger than this, more refined than this common.txt. But making use of this common.txt, this what we have been able to find from this particular website. So we can take our time to go through each of these links, and we might be able to find some of the links have been hidden from us. They are not easily seen on the website here, and we can go through the links and then see what we have been able to fetch, and how it can help us in our attempts to hack into this Mutillidae website.